So with a Seek Paris up in here today, man, and just some thoughts. You know what I mean? So I got a heat press, I got a hat press, I got the inkjet, I got the Cameo 3, I got a computer, I got the Adobe Creative Suite. About a month ago or so, I went and paid for my DBA. I got a Shopify site that I pay for every month. I got shirts, I got hats to press on, I got over 100 designs of my own, custom designs for a line I want to do, ideas for some other stuff. But yet, with all this, I still feel like I'm not pulling the trigger. You know what I mean? I'm still trying to figure it out. Like I started a new job recently, so at work, I got a lot of time while I'm working because I'm working. It's loud where I work, so you got an earplug, so you and the person you're working with, you ain't doing too much talking, so I think a lot. And I realize with all this stuff I have, it's fear that's stopping me from pulling the trigger, from moving forward. And I'm not sure if it's fear of success or fear of failure, but I know there's something in me that fears moving forward. Like, I read stuff and watch all the videos I can on YouTube from these hat dudes, or t-shirt people, Stan Banks and Big Brando, Heart and Hustle Printing, probably my 3 favorite, most informative people I like to watch, but I mean, amongst others. But and I'm soaking this shit up, but I still haven't just done it. I've made the steps, I purchased the stuff, everything I need is in place. All I got to do is just go, and it's fear. So, but I made myself a promise. Today, my last off day, and I'm gonna just work on that Shopify. I still gotta set it up, and I decided I'm gonna just take 2 of my designs, start building it up, start getting all the stuff written, and within the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna just launch it and just go. Figure out how to promote it, figure out how to get it seen, figure out how to get sales. Do some Instagram marketing and stuff like that. But I realize I can't keep hiding behind this fear. I just gotta go. And I don't even know what I'm scared of. Like I said, I don't know if it's success. I don't know if it's failure or what, but there's something that's stopping me from moving forward. Sorry, looking over here, I got this hat press heating up. I'm about to do a hat for my homeboy Kane. But like I know I just gotta go. I can't keep being stagnated, especially when I didn't invest in my money. I ain't asked nobody for nothing. Every dime in it is my own. I spent it, you know what I mean, earned it, I spent it. So, and I know it's some other people out there that can share and understand what I feel, you know what I mean? So if you understand this, if you feel like you had a fears too, man, just put in the comments, you know what I mean? And maybe we can figure it out together. But I ain't gonna keep y'all too long, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and find a way to get over your fear. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'm out.